Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Everything is now ready for the start of the long-awaited Salesian Youth Synod, SYS in English, the large gathering of boys and girls from the Salesian Youth Movement, promoted by the Salesian Youth Ministry to celebrate the bicentenary of Don Bosco's 9-year dream and to imagine, together with its protagonists, the young people, the Salesian educational and evangelizing action of the future. When there are only 2 days left before the official start of the activities, 11 to 16 August 2024, the first of the approximately 300 young people selected from all over the world who will take part in the assembly have begun to arrive in Turin. For them, these first moments are dedicated to official registration, receiving the kit prepared for the participants as well as acclimatization at the Valdoco facilities and a first acquaintance with the city of Don Bosco. The second meeting on human rights took place from 4 to 6 August in Copacabana in the department of Antioquia, promoted and organized by the Medellin province, Colombia. The event, which brought together local representatives of Salesian works, including from the Bogota province, reaffirmed the Salesian community's commitment to the defense and promotion of human rights. This year's event was characterized by the adoption of the learning by doing methodology, a practical approach that allowed everyone to effectively address the actions necessary for the implementation of the provincial policy on human rights, inclusion and non-discrimination. During the 3-day event, various activities, workshops and debates took place that fostered an active and collaborative learning space. Participants committed themselves to mobilizing concrete actions to promote and protect the rights of children and adolescents as well as those of other beneficiaries and collaborators of the Salesian mission. The U-Turn event, a youth night vigil organized by Prison Ministry Mumbai, Kafaso Squad and Don Bosco Youth Services was held on August 3, 2024 in Don Bosco, Matunga. The event aimed to inspire and motivate the youth to become members of the Kafaso Squad, the new group of the Salesian Youth Movement of the Salesian Province of Mumbai INB, who do prison pastoral care. The event commenced with a prayerful atmosphere featuring a specially composed PMM song. Father Savio Silveira, INB Provincial, extended a warm welcome to the attendees. Father Gervais de Souza delivered a powerful message on hope and personal transformation, setting the tone for the event. A captivating campfire was inaugurated by Father Glaston, the coordinator for Prison Ministry of the Archdiocese, who emphasized the significance of hope. A presentation on prison ministry provided valuable insights into the initiative. The aspiring leaders of Don Bosco Youth Center DBYC in Lawan embraced the challenge of participating in the leaders' camp entitled Camp Tagup, which recalls the role of leading and guiding others as the heartbeat of the community. This camp aims to shape us into effective leaders and represents our leadership within the youth center. The camp took place at the Don Bosco Retreat House in Matalongon, Dalaguete, spanning an amazing 4-day event from 1st to 4th August. The journey began with a lengthy session discussing leadership and how to enhance and develop leadership skills. Points were awarded to each group for flawlessly completing the tasks and activities given, as well as meeting all the requirements as instructed. Over the following days, the campers engaged in various activities and games. As part of the daily routine, morning rosary walks and evening masses were regularly held, and teams were assigned different chores to perform efficiently and effectively. Once again this year, the Srena theme inspired the various temporary exhibitions at the Missionary Ethnological Museum MEM at College Don Bosco, a place that bears witness to the global dimension of the dream. Specifically in this bicentennial year of Don Bosco's dream at 9 years of age, an exhibition has been set up in 2 displays, one that acts as a common thread throughout 2024 and exhibits an African fabric or tapestry that depicts, according to local art, the dream at 9 years of age. The other that varies according to the period, highlighting the different characters in the dream: Don Bosco, Jesus the noble man, Mary, the woman of majestic appearance, young people. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.